A stone brick facade with arched glass windows. A lighter stone path leads past a cacti garden. A sign reads, "Sanctuary at Eagle Creek." Text, sanctuary@eaglecreek.com.
Come home to Sanctuary at Eagle Creek in Orlando, Florida.
Palm trees stretch high up close to the windows of a wing of the complex. A large pool with wide steps leading in surrounded by daybeds with a pool house up on columns.
This smoke-free community offers carefree living in luxurious style. Sanctuary features a lakeside pool pavilion with a summer kitchen with grills, outdoor fireplace, and TV.
Ellipticals, treadmills, and aerobics equipment fill a large space with mirrors.
For those who prefer to keep things moving, there's a 3,200 square foot fitness center with spin bikes and a TRX system. In the clubhouse, you'll find complimentary Wi-Fi, a sports lounge with pool table, foosball and coffee bar, cyber cafe, and conference room.
A stone brick fireplace with a plasma TV above it flanked by 2 couches. A doggy bag dispenser outside a fenced park.
Sanctuary at Eagle Creek is pet-friendly with an on-site dog park and convenient pet stations. Select from a mix of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom floor plans. Inside each apartment, you'll find great appointments like faux wood flooring, washer and dryer, a fully equipped kitchen with black appliances and granite countertops, garden bathtubs, and screened patios and balconies. Select homes offer stand-up showers, walk-in closets, and formal dining rooms.
A minivan passes through an open gate into the complex. A shopping plaza. Publix. Nona Blue Modern Tavern. Panera Bread. Wine House.
Outside these gates, residents gain easy access to all things Orlando, from shopping to dining, afternoons at the YMCA to evenings out with friends.
Weeds and flowers in between roads for entry and exit. Sanford, Burnham Medical Research Institute. A plane takes off over a barbed wire fence.
Best of all, the property's great location puts you minutes from Medical City, the VA Hospital, UCF Medical School, the airport, and the Valencia College Lake Nona campus.
A clock tower with pyramid roof. A fountain in the middle of a small pond.
Escape home to luxurious, carefree living in the heart of Orlando. Explore Sanctuary at Eagle Creek today.
Text, Sanctuary at Eagle Creek. 9800 Sanctuary Approach Road. Orlando, Florida, 32832. 844-217-7943. Sanctuary@eaglecreek.com.